Welcome back to Biz Ed Lab. Today, we have some exciting news for you. Nvidia, the global technology company, is making waves in the market. In a remarkable turn of events, Nvidia's valuation has surpassed that of Tesla, Facebook, and Netflix. With their cutting-edge innovations and powerful graphics processing units, Nvidia has secured its position as a dominant player in the tech industry. Their GPUs are revolutionizing industries such as gaming, artificial intelligence, and autonomous driving. In recent years, Tesla has gained significant attention for their electric cars, Facebook for its social media dominance, and Netflix for its streaming content. But now, Nvidia has taken the lead, leaving these giants in its wake. Investors are flocking to Nvidia as they reorganize the company's incredible potential for growth. With its focus on developing advanced technologies, Nvidia is paving the way for the future. But what does this mean for the average consumer? Well, it means that Nvidia's impressive valuation speaks to the confidence of the market in its products and services. Plus, it highlights the impact they are making on various industries. As Nvidia continues to dominate, we can only imagine the incredible advancements they will bring to the table. So, stay tuned as we keep you updated on all the latest tech news and developments. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this.